Ya, lene tai au e tu whatalo whatu, tu e whawhatu I pāanga māsani o le Mea-Uli Samoa. E pego na iai. Greetings and talofa to everyone watching, followers and friends of le Mea-Uli Samoa. Kirana, bula, inisa yandra, talofa, ni hao, isime, nganga ya nganga umanga e koke nganga ya. I would like to welcome you all this morning. But this today's topic is one that I've been promising to go on about. Good morning, Talofa. Hi, Lexi. Fisa, Sungalfa Fengainga, yeah, Anthony, Amulfatua, Carolyn. Good morning. Fetusia inga lolo le fionga le kovana le ya lolo matalasi molinga. Ma le afionga president senate fape fo ile afionga ile fonga fitalai. So right now olai on campaign to tuila olai on kako campaign to tuila I ona olai foi angale ola o November if I kako palok. So fapela telo sila fia. If you don't know, all these three people support different campaigns. The president of the Senate himself is running. The Speaker of the House is in support of the Manu and Talauenga Ale, and the governor's support is, I believe, towards the Nua and Satele campaign. And close to near the beginning of this year, the governor started putting down strict laws on campaigning, where people weren't even allowed to, I mean, which is understandable. But well, now he's trying to do it. Now he's trying to make it right. But we all know the previous two campaigns. Sa campaign na lai on ngat wingan malo. Sila na lang mewo ke ya wuka kofi fa maung ngai ke mia. So 85 million is what American Samoa was rewarded from the CARES Act. This not the corona, or corona, corona COVID-19. So creates Lord Kovanga yale COVID-19 he created a committee on, and he put out a memo on May 12th, saying that this committee would ensure the spending is in compliance. It's a compliance committee. Olef sila. Or not my tamay. All the money we get, all money is rewarded to American Samoa. We have our legislature to divvy up these funds, and they have all the instructions and the guidelines on how to use the monies awarded to American Samoa. So therefore, now we see another thing that we've seen in this administration for quite some time. Or they micromanage. The executive branch is now trying to overpower the powers of the legislature in conducting how this money is to be spent. We have a legislature. They are the ones who are in charge of allocating this money within compliance with the guidelines. So we don't need another committee. So before he released that compliance committee that he created on the 12th, he received a letter from the Speaker of the House and the President of the Senate, saying that they are ready to meet and to allocate the funds as this 85 million. So they wrote on the 11th to inform the governor, because they were aware of this fund, or this grant from press release from Congresswoman Amata Radwigan, and they were ready. But on the 12th, he released this press release where he's created this COVID-19 CRS or compliance team. And then after he gets a letter from them telling him that they're ready, he says that he is saddened that by their decision to open up legislature. Why are you saddened? You've given your cabinet, your directors, the authority to do work according to what you'd like them to do, but they cannot work. Is because you want them to follow your orders? It doesn't seem right. So they wrote back and forth. And so one of the things that really caught me is this. Anale tuku campaign. Because we've been used to seeing everybody go the same way. Everybody alpha kashi uma kako lefi fifo i si vai ke mi fapea. Kule wakawa inga o kashi uma malo le me kashi wole isi vo yale au ese wole ese. There is no rebut. If elesi se fa kawa ia me esa mai lunga ko vanga o pe wa kasia ai manga i mbelo ba kwai o ngana o saulesi kuset ko vanga mai kala ko vanga le angala le I kusia. But if you go and you read it, the governor says it is not very they are not standard qualities of a leader. Le maoka le fai le wa fai kakala le maoka fai la ko fongo on melo wo akai ko saungilat kusi he received, after saying that these were not leadership-like qualities, he receives a letter back from the Speaker of the House saying, you know what, you're right, these aren't leadership qualities. However, you have made 3 amendments to the COVID-19 shutdown. You've made 3 amendments, and not once did you have us come and counsel. You only had us come in and confer the first time. But now, o leo fa kolong sui lo amendment le yama so yamako o la me la FMI lengi mako leadership quality ayawi. So it was really nice to finally see this conflict. This conflict ele pure mai o yamako le peoso ya sa fo ya le sa fa mai ya fight maya fight fa mai no fo pusi no fo an me la le o ya le o matan fitau ya le o matan fitau ona wo es campaign kama es campaign kama. So what am I trying to say? Let's pay attention lengai mumasani ya tato ile imele tu putato malo kukuila le ai America Samoa tuile mamanoa o masani tato ile mele supporta e kanakala ko vangar kanakala ke alwai support wile kako vaya la foi wa ese foi ale le alunga la alwai le fio ngai le au malo le tamaita le au ya na totile le presidente senate ya va pe foi le go file ko ya kalvo le fio ngai le fonga fetalai ona wa ese e tu campaign wa e tangata nei. So because they're all campaigning in different headquarters, now there's a conflict. And I like that. Why do I like that? Because sometimes some things need to be set straight. And I'm happy and I'm grateful for the President of the Senate and the Speaker of the House for standing up and letting the governor know, like, no, man, no. You kuulo wisu in me kuwai. Fika oe. Ya menga kupinga le cabinet onga ol mewo kupu o vala awak ngela mangkua le ngofa yaku o yai duties you manga ko fai Lolo's already set duties for his cabinet members to do within guidelines of this coronavirus. And when the House called them for testimony, when the House called these these directors to come forward for testimonies, kaufit ko vanga ya morimau ya malo of sidia o nga wole fa longo ya vanga la ya fakunga amanku ele pule o mela ku pumai o ile maoka So on mena na le pe langona le fa no ono o le vai atu o le ka nga maso ai langona I for fia ono o le vai atu le ai le e fiwa maso ngai fa nga mai foi se kulo ia le ko fa ma le ko fa lo ale a fio ngai le tamaita le au ya papel to ya ale a fapela o nai a fapela o le tangata nai te palo tai tutuila ai avelo palota va velo a failo absentee pele tai lafo a pe voila o nai nei to America ai le palo kai America ko le palo kai Samoa ia long winga ke le lo po le airport le ola ngai mai mau yawe ai fa unga lo ya tau fa unga le ya tau wa ale fa unga palo kai o le tau dia inei palo ka long winga. If you don't vote back home in Samoa, you don't vote in America. Long winga, olo vote, olo freedom. I waste oilo freedom. I waste oilo yatau. I waste oilo right. It's palotai. Leang olalai atai tangata lai malo leang mangu e kisia oe e malo de si au. Ya ngala le kauria on alo le paloka. So vote. Peke vote America, peke vote Kukuila, vote. Peke vote Samoa Malo Kokasi, bo fair ke vote yai. Vote. Let your voice be heard. Wa ale heard. Ya the mawara yo te me fa alu mai mawaile ia. Ai lele fa ngalo ya tau. E to fiele tai na e mana yai. So, of it to see ingala love letter yela va. Leanga wa o campaign. La le fi mai disi vaenga va pe lenga yo ko le fa long man me le fa ko e mai vaenga le sko fe au ya ma ko e pule ma ko ya ma ko ma fo anga na pe na ya le video sa batu mumbo the first video I made about the separation of powers within the government. So some people are aware before I make this talk that the executive branch le ya low ele pule executive branch nga low ma yu longo il legislature apenha o il judicial o tato fa sol na le taya se temiana ne do what this start to nonga. I want to thank each and every one of you who are still supporting le Mea-Uli Samoa, who are still giving opinions and ideas that we can discuss on. I appreciate lela kako fa soa yala ia so nane kato tala lor matau pule e vata tau I le fonga malona nga malona winga leanga e inisi. A lot of people don't understand what the fonga means. A lot of people just think ifonga, they know about what is conducted during the ifonga, but le mamlama ile le ano male nganga for yale within the whole idea of the ifonga and its use. Atato talanoila stemianane ya left city maya for the popular team Eva figa le o ke mi fai me ngau ka nga alu o ye mo mi fai me ai kamai a kuli maka mai kai pe fo ya le ala fa mai fa ngole o nga leila so no le uso. We need change in our government back home, and that's true. We need change. Now the question is, who is the right change? Who is the right change? The right change would be the people who are adamant that our government head in the right direction, and I'm right, in the right direction. But the right direction, let's stop. Oila tanga te tau tofia, tato fa longo, ma tato no fo tai I meo tupu mai o tato atu. Ava peo o tanga tana te le mamla mai tanga I sui tau va temine. If you don't know who's running, hey, find out. O le au le tele ia tangata I Samoa le I tatou group e tau te fsidi ai ale na le lau loko e waku pe vai nga ngai ko ke wo ko le lava va fa nga ko ke le fonge ko ke le Samoa News bo nga le Facebook ya le lau loko e waku ka fa pe na fa fa gata le sa idu samoanews.com manu tele na to aso ia tele se manu ia se tala o social net ya le potato la foi fonga va tele ale nga la foi no de ai nga ya se tam fa nga tuna ne tai on wil tu aso man wil fuang mala sanga fa mangalo Mea-Uli pe o tele atu se tala soifua ai manuia